All right, hey guys, OFD checking in with you, and just like the title suggests, we're going to see what happens with a Watch Gang Black, subscription. I've seen a whole bunch of this on YouTube. I had to jump on the bandwagon, give it a whirl, see what happens. You guys all know about Watch Gang. It's a watch subscription service you sign up for. There's 3 different tiers that you can sign up for, and you get a watch monthly from them that's higher than the value of your monthly subscription. So there's a $29.95, which is a basic subscription, and that will get you a watch, I think, from the $50 up to about $100 price range. There is a black level, which is what I've signed up for here. You pay $99 a month, or right at $100 a month, and basically they will send you a watch worth between $150 and $250. And if you go with what I think is their upper echelon, their elite, or their platinum level, whatever that's called, it's like $200 a month, and they will provide you with a watch between, I think it's $300 and $500 and stuff like that. Don't quote me on those numbers, but I think it's kind of in that ballpark. It's kind of interesting because I actually joined up on the 1st of the month. If you guys watch my videos, you know I just picked up a Breitling recently, and I was able to, since I signed up for this, I was able to actually purchase a Breitling out of a place in New York, get it shipped to my house. Been wearing the watch for a number of days, and I just got this today. So you have to realize when you sign up for the subscription service that because they're shipping watches all over the world to different members of the club. I think there's like 24,000 members or something like that now. They kind of have scheduled this. So basically their watches go out 5 days before, 5 days after the 16th of the month is from what I can tell. So no matter when you sign up, you're going to be waiting a while for that. So say you sign up like on the 25th of the month or something like that. I don't know if you get that month's watch or whatever, but I signed up around the 1st, and here it is the 18th, and I just got the watch. So it takes quite a while to get it, so I want to let you guys know that before you go into it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this real quick, but one other thing I wanted to show you guys real quick before we get started here is, here I got another box in the mail from Blue Shark straps, and they make really, really good nylon straps, guys. You know they're one of my favorites out there, so probably within the next day or two, I will be getting a video up of these new Blue Shark straps, so definitely stay tuned for that. I know you guys like looking at their stuff, so we'll go ahead and check that out in a couple days. So let's go ahead and open this. So this is the way it came. Like I said, this is a black membership, so this is going to be, you know, supposedly a watch valued between, I don't know, 200 and, no, yeah, 250 and 150 and 250, something like that. I'm sorry, I get the tiers all mixed up there. So it's packaged pretty good. Go ahead and see what we got here. Looks like it's double enveloped. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. This is nuts. Get it out of here. Okay, so they did a really good job of wrapping this thing up. I had to kind of get crazy with my knife there, and I didn't want to mess anything up. So okay, here's the paperwork. Comes with it. June original tier, Father's Day edition. So it looks like it's just kind of a little bit of a newsletter thing, showing some of the people. Maybe these are some of the people that have won Rolex. Every Friday, I think, I don't know if I mentioned that, every Friday they give away Rolex. I don't know, older Rolexes, I think. I don't think they're like new ones and stuff, but Watch Gang Films. I have no idea what this is. Kind of silly. I don't know. Not sure what that is. So, okay, let's go ahead and get the watch out of here and see what we have. Feels like there's something else in here. Oh, okay. Well, there's going to be the brand name, Heritor Watches. Now, one of the things I will say, guys, is when you sign up for this, they have you go through this procedure of telling them, you know, really being specific about what kind of watches you like, what kind of watches you'd like to receive, and stuff like that. So it'll be interesting also to see how close they are to that. You guys know me, I'm a nut for divers watches, so I kind of, it was like, what do you want first? And I hit divers watches, and then they're like, what do you want second? I hit divers watches, and then they, what do you want third? I want divers watches. So that's just what I did. So I have no idea what this is. Let's check it out. Oh, definitely looks like a diver's watch. And here is another card here. Now, guys, I'm going to be honest. I don't know a whole lot about this brand, and I will be looking it up. We will get a full review, you know, of this watch up in the near future. So let's check it out. Ooh, this looks like a baby tuna. This looks a lot like a baby tuna. So Interesting. We've got a very cushion case design here. You have a 4 o'clock crown. This is an automatic watch that seems to maybe be running who knows what. I don't know what kind of automatic. I'll have to look into this. We'll definitely get a review of this watch up. Definitely seems to be, you know, in that price point. Oh, here we go. Let's see what this is. It's hard with my glasses on to read what the rotor says. I think this is a Seiko movement by looking at it. Most likely, guys. Yeah, it looks like it's an NH35A. So cool. Good movement. Japanese automatic movement. Looks like 10 atmospheres, which would be 100 meters of water resistance, all stainless steel. So interesting little watch. Definitely not bad looking. Definitely, you know, this is that $99 price points that you're at. So this is what I got for the what they're calling the black membership, guys. So pretty good looking little watch. I'm going to go ahead and find out a lot more about this before I obviously put up a video of it, but it's kind of neat. It's a good looking piece, definitely. Definitely something I would bring into the channel for a review on any normal day. So, and it came in a very simple package, obviously here. So I think what you get with Watch Gang, I think what they're doing a lot of times is with a lot of these smaller micro brands and stuff that have a set number of watches they're building and stuff like that. If they're having trouble moving them, you know, on websites and stuff like that, I'm sure Watch Gang comes in, makes a big purchase offer to buy all the watches at a certain price point so that they can turn around and offer them to us, you know, at these tier levels they offer. So, sorry guys, there it is. A real quick unboxing of the Watch Gang Black, watch number 1. This is a Heritor. And I don't really know a whole lot about the watch. So guys, I'll find out more, and we'll definitely down the road here get a review of this watch up here on the channel and check it out. So, and guys, stay tuned because like I said, within the next day or two, I will be getting a review of these Blue Shark straps up, these new ones from Joe out there. He's always got something new in mind, and I'm excited to get the box open and check these out. So, all right, guys, so there's the Watch Gang Black unboxing, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.